gonna knock it already and you don't know. Oh, some man a say them a gal is no slow. We got the image, the bodies, we got the door. Have your baby mother locked down a sweater now. Just left a show with that cat me just a know. Say she ready for anything when me say she feel up. When me do give her the work, never know what feel up. It take a certain level, a gal is give me a bro. Anytime I'm on top street, a gal must cheat. Can't cheat within the first week. She did already from.
And that was the new video from Sean Paul and Alkaline called Gal is Pro. Welcome to this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leana, and this week's location is Cherry Gardens. As usual, for the next half an hour, we are bringing you the latest in entertainment and lifestyle right here in Jamaica. Your Pree Dis journey starts right now. Lots of fashion, a lot of hype music, and a big crowd. You don't know, it all went down at Oversaw. Check out the highlights.
All who know your heart clean. All who have a 9 to 5. I'm a top of level. Baby, jump up. Wind up your body, go. So, you don't not play no more song. With the ice and we do this every night. Foreign bitch crap in the lecture. I can lose sauce, you can have it. I did it before, that's a husband. Every girl is supposed to be up and turn them more chromatic.
Now it's that time of the show where we bring you tips to help keep you safe on our roads, courtesy of our sponsors, Superior Parts Limited. We'll be right back.
Here are a few road safety tips to avoid accidents. Focus on driving. Keep 100% of your attention on driving at all times. No multitasking. Drive defensively. Be aware of what other drivers around you are doing and expect the unexpected. Plan ahead. Adjust your seat, mirrors, and climate controls before putting the car in gear. Practice safety. Do not attempt to retrieve items that have fallen to the floor. Have items needed within every reach, such as toll fees and toll cards. These road safety tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
Bad man dog, gal war we no fight that. Some boy I get stink and bright, educated dead rat. How you feel this world boss, you a madman, you will get poof puff.
Manufacturers of vehicles are not necessarily the manufacturers of parts. They outsource in places such as Japan, Thailand, China, Malaysia, Indonesia, or wherever it is most cost-effective to do so. Visit Superior Parts today for the widest range of genuine and non-genuine, new and used Honda parts in Kingston, Maypen, Mandeville, Mobay, and Ocho Rios. Telephone 929-4410 or 758-0830. Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
Enter the Lucasade Summer Millionaire Promotion for a chance to win first prize, $1 million cash. Second prize, all-inclusive weekend for 4. Third prize, 40-inch flat-screen TV. Buy any 3 Lucasade products. Must include 1 250ml can. Remove labels. Crush can. In an envelope, place labels and can or receipt along with your name and number. Drop in entry box in store or mail to P.O. Box 2500 CSO, Kingston. Follow us on social media and win bonus prizes. Let's drink to a winning summer with Lucasade.